Do you still remember when I explained men, siz, sen, sli, u? If you don't know, go back to that video. And today we are going to make 5 simple sentences in Uyghur with men. Which language do you speak?
Anam öyünün toşuk çabdıqlarına bəhmi etibar berətdi. Noğuç, aş taxta, nan taxta, əlgək.
Mən Uyghur sözləymən. Mən Uyghurca sözləymən. Mən means I. Uyghurca means Uyghur. Sözləymən means speak. I speak Uyghur. I'm going to explain a little bit the grammar here because Uyghurca translated in English Uyghur. Cha makes actually Uyghur possessive. So it becomes from that language. About sözləymən, the stem of sözləymən is sözləş. It means to speak. When you make a sentence with first person singular, such as mən, I, it becomes sözləymən. If you make a sentences with second person singular, such as with siz or sen, sözləş becomes sözləysiz or sözləysən. But just forget it because today we are going to make sentences with men. One more thing. There is also a different word order between Uyghur and English. So in English, I say I speak Uyghur. If I say that sentence in Uyghur, I would say I Uyghur speak. In English, it's subject, verb, and object. And in Uyghur, word order is like subject, object, and verb. Mən Uyghurca sözləymən. I speak Uyghur. What do you make in the weekend?
Mən lağma etmən.
Mən lağmən etmən. Mən means I. Lağmən, you know already what that means, right? Etmən. The stem of the etmən is etiş. It means to make. When you make sentence with men, first person singular, it becomes etmən. Mən lağmən etmən. I make lağmən. What do you do when you are happy?
Mən naxşa etmən.
Mən naxşa etmən. Mən means I. Naxşa means song. Etmən. The stem of the etmən is etiş. It means to sing or to tell. When you make a sentence with men, it becomes etmən. Mən naxşa etmən. I sing a song. What do you do at the bazaar?
Mən nan satımən.
Mən nan satımən. Mən means I. Nan, you know that word, right? Satımən. The stem of the satımən is sit. It means to sell. And when you are going to make sentence with men, it becomes satımən. Mən nan satımən. I sell nan. What do you do in the evening?
Mən kitap oxuymən.
Mən kitap oxuymən. Mən means I. Kitap means book. Oxuymən. The stem of oxuymən is oxuş. It means to read. When you make a sentence with mən, oxuş becomes oxuymən. Mən kitap oxuymən. I read a book. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Dolancik and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for the new video and see you next week. Bye.